Some stories begin in silence, others in the turning of a page. Chidambaram, where the air trembles with silence and the space between heartbeats is a prayer. From its sanctum, on the full moon of Thaipusam, the story of its secret, Chidambara Rahasyam, will be revealed by storyteller extraordinaire
That Parameshwara and Parameshwari
Vinay Varanasi.
contrast each other so beautifully.
Through story, music and dance, Chidambara Rahasyam becomes a portal, a journey from ego to humility, from boundaries to unity. Chidambara Rahasyam, a storytelling event that will delight and inspire. And every ticket will support 𝗕𝗶𝗍𝗍 medical services, healing bodies and hearts.